knocking out the tune-up kit that I've got off of Harley-Davidson. It's the part number 626-00141. As I'm doing that, I'll also be swapping out the air filter. I've got the K&N reusable filter here. 9608 is the part number on that. Along with the oil change and spark plug and air filter change, I have a huge disdain for backpacks. I cannot stand riding while I'm with a backpack on the back. It just feels too bulky, and I just don't like all that extra on me. While I'm riding, I got some saddlebags off of Viking, saddlebags.com. I believe these are called the Demons. And I'm going to mount them on the motorcycle while it's up on the lift. So, knock out the oil change on the fat bob, and then we'll get these mounted up on here, and then we'll go for a ride. Alright, spark plug swap is pretty simple. It's just 2 cylinders. And now I'll move over to the air filter on the other side. Oil is still draining out of the bottom of the crankcase and the engine. So while it's still draining out, I'm going to swap the air filter.